Hey folks, I, s- I was sitting here on the couch, okay? I was sitting here on the couch watching my TV, and all of a you hear that? And all of a sudden, I heard this big, loud thunder. Now, I'm really trying to understand this whole thunder thing and lightning in February. I really don't get it. I would like to get it, but I don't get it, okay? I mean, if you have to be I just don't understand it. Rain. Rain. Not snow, but rain. In February. And it's nice rain. And I even saw lightning. Lightning. Can you believe that? Of all the things, lightning in February. Didn't lightning happen when there's like heat? Like heat in the air or something like. Oh, I think I missed that part in school. Yeah. But anyway, February. Wow. But I guess I can't complain. Really, I can't. Because it could be worse. We could have, I don't know, 12 inches of snow on the ground. But we have rain. Hmm. Well, that's alright, I guess. I'd rather have rain than snow, like I said. But, uh, but anyway, I hope everybody's having a good weekend. It's relaxing, calm, enjoyable. Mine was enjoyable until I about pissed myself when I heard that big old clap of thunder. I mean, this sucker went on and on and on for, I'd say, a good 5 seconds. Yeah. And then we had lightning. Yeah, I just don't understand it. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a good weekend. And stay warm, stay safe, and stay dry.